Let us start swaying. You may close your eyes and start rocking. Sway to the side. And see that swaying becomes almost automatic. Loosen up your body. The stiffness in the body, there will be stiffness in the mind, and vice versa. So let us loosen up. Loosen your shoulders. Just keep your spine erect and loosen your neck and head. And then rock back and forth, front and back, front and back, bend down and bend backwards. Rock. Youngsters should rock. Rock and rock to the side. With eyes closed, continue rocking till it becomes almost an automatic phenomenon, effortless phenomenon. You don't have to make much effort in rocking. You just front, back and forth. Front and back. Continue rocking. Rock. Rock. Did you notice it is becoming almost automatic, effortless? And sit back and relax. Stop rocking. झूमना बंद कर दीजिए. झूमते रहे. अब झूमना बंद कर दिए. स्थिर रहिएगा. आंखें बंद रखें. शरीर को स्थिर रखें. Let's keep our body still and immobile. A body sitting on the chair or on the floor. Become aware of the weight of your body. Whatever that is, 60 kilos, 70 kilos, 80 or 100, never mind. We came into this planet weighing just 4 kilos or 5 kilos, and today we weigh 60, 70, 80 kilos. Place your weight on the chair we are sitting. Place your weight on the chair you are sitting. Rather, just become aware that the chair you are sitting is carrying the weight of your body. Our body is made up of billions and trillions of cells. Let us honor our own body. Honor your body. It's a precious gift to you from God, from nature. Let's take a deep breath in and let go. Any stress or tension anywhere in the body, just let it be. शरीर में कहीं भी तनाव लगे उसको रहने दीजिए. अपना वज़न को जिस कुर्सी पे या ज़मीन पे आप बैठे हैं उस पर रख दें। अपने ही शरीर को मन ही मन सम्मान करें। यह शरीर ईश्वर से मिला हुआ एक अद्भुत देन है। Take a deep breath in and let go. The earth element in your body is very solid. The water element in your body is much lighter, is subtler. Become aware of your breath. It is this breath that is keeping us alive, that gives value to your own body. Let us become aware of the air that's all around our body and inside of our body. Let's move on to the third dimension, the mind. Whatever thoughts are coming in the mind, just let them come. जो भी विचार आ रहे हो मन में, उनको आने दें। वे आवेंगे और अपने आप चले जाएंगे। न रोकना न ठोकना, सभी विचारों को गले लगाते जाना। Whatever thoughts are coming in the mind, just let them come. We move into the third dimension, the mind. Our body is like the wick of a candle, and mind is like the glow around it. Let go and relax. जो भी विचार आ रहे हो आने दें, उन सबको गले लगाते जाएं। शरीर बाती है तो मन ज्योति है। Our body is like the wick of a candle, mind is like the glow all around it. In fact, your body is inside the mind, not the other way around. Let's take our attention to the top of the head. सिर के चोटी पर अपना ध्यान ले जाएं। ज़्यादा प्रयत्न नहीं करना है, एक भोले दृष्टि, भोले भाव से दृष्टि ले जाए और छोड़ दें। नो एफर्ट इन्वॉल्व एट ऑल। Gentle attention at the top of your head, the hypothalamus gland. Relax your shoulders, relax your whole body, but keep them still. पूरे शरीर को ढीला छोड़ दे, मगर स्थिर रखे, हिलना डुलना नहीं। Let go of all your efforts. सभी प्रयत्न छोड़ दें, तभी ध्यान होगा। Let go of all your effort. This moment there is nothing to do and nothing to know either. Just let the mind expand in all directions. Let it go wherever it wants to go. As the body relaxes, the mind expands and vice versa. जैसे जैसे शरीर में विश्राम बढ़ता है, मन फैलने लगता है चारों ओर। उसको होने दें, हमें कुछ भी नहीं करना है, केवल और केवल विश्राम करना। Just listen to the sounds and music and let go and let be. पूरे शरीर को नाद से तरंगित होने दे, मूलाधार से सहस्रार तक। सहस्रार में सभी शब्द निशब्द की ओर जाते। Your attention at the top of the head relaxes and all the sounds like a rain comes down from the crown. Just relax and repose. This moment has nothing to do and nothing to know either. ना कुछ जानना है इस वक्त, ना कुछ करना है, केवल विश्राम। मन को चारों ओर जाने दे, जहां जाना चाहे जाने दे। सब प्रयत्न छोड़ दें, विश्राम करें। समूचे नाद, सब तरह के नाद सिर के चोटी से नीचे उतर रहा हो, इस भाव से विश्राम करें। Let go of all your efforts. Whatever is there this moment, just let it be. इस वक्त कुछ भी नहीं करना, मन को फैलने दे चारों ओर, जाने दे, न रोकना न ठोकना है, केवल विश्राम कर। पूरे वातावरण के प्रति सजग हो जाए। Become aware of the entire atmosphere. Let go. Don't listen to the instruction intently. Just relax and let go. एक और गहरी सांस लीजिए और छोड़िए। Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. मुस्कुराते मुस्कुराते एक और गहरी सांस लीजिए और धीरे धीरे छोड़ दीजिए। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Relax and let go. Notice the peace and tranquility this moment has for you. इस घड़ी की जो शांति और प्रसन्नता, इसको पहचाने। Another deep breath in with a big smile. मुस्कुराते मुस्कुराते गहरी सांस लीजिए और छोड़ते छोड़ते शरीर को और ढीला कर दे और धीरे से आंखें खोल सकते हो।